Look at the face. Look at the end result. Look at me. If anyone remembers that song. But just whole vibe, just a snack. If you want to see how I got this and why I'm just so 31, okay, just keep watching. Just keep watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. You already see the title, you already see the thumbnail, you already know what's gonna happen before I do, so let's just get into this. When you see this bag, you know what it is. Miss Fenty done did it again. I feel like a crazy person because every time this girl decides she wants to launch something new, I'm sorry if I'm stuffy, you guys, my allergies, you know what it is. But every time this girl launches something, somehow I'm always the first. Do y'all see this? Like, do you guys see this? Yeah, I'm insane. Okay, so I got 2 new items. By the way, if you guys hear anything like loud or someone talking under me, that is my brother. He's working, I'm working, whatever. But the 2 items that I got, they're actually like so cute and so small. But I got the Bright Fix Eye Brightener and I got it in almond butter. So that is this one. Let's open her. She looks like she'll be a good match. So when it comes to concealers and me and brightening, I don't really need it that much. So I didn't go for like something super bright, but you know, we're gonna see what it do. Look at this. First of all, she that big. Don't let everyone else's thumbnails fool you. She's this big and she's so cute. This is so adorable. Like, I love it. The rest of my products are looking at me like, girl, Wyatt. Sorry, on my dog. So it comes super cute. Okay. Before I get into having fun, the second item that I got was the Mattemoiselle and in the color PMS. But look, first of all, let's they are low-key the same height, so there's that. I want to see this though. This looks so adorable. I've never had any of her. I only have the glosses from Fenty. I don't have any of the actual like lip colors, or like, you know what I'm talking about. But this is the color. Let's just put it on my brown skin real quick. Okay, so she's pigmented. Look at that. What is the word? Reviews on this that I don't think I need to tell you guys like all the specs and nothing like that, but just in case you haven't, let me say what this stuff claims to do. All right, it says instantly hydrates, brightens and blurs, light as air, sheer to buildable coverage that lasts. So okay, those are the claims. Let's just see. Unscrew her. Boom. By the way, everything that I do is in natural lighting. Oh, do you guys see this? I'm not even squeezing. Like, she just coming out that way. That's so nice. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out the consistency to explain to you guys. But it's thick, but it's not at the same time. It's like a very nice feeling moisturizer. But look at that. First of all, look at that. Did this woman make my actual like foundation shade? I'm just gonna speed through this portion. Well, I'm gonna put on the brightener just to see what's going on, and then I'll speed through the rest and you guys can watch. Okay, but like super quick disclaimer, because this is a concealer, like it's labeled as a concealer, I'm going to use it as such. I'm I'm gonna do a super light, my everyday face that you guys have seen. If you guys want to see me do like an actual glam look, I can absolutely do that for you guys. I'm going to do this look the way I would always do my normal makeup. So here we go. Okay, so I am all primed with the Fenty Hydrating primer, and let's just pop this bad boy on. Okay, there we go. There we go. I think that was entirely too much. And that's not normally how I do it. Let's try this again. Okay. It kind of reminds me of the LA girl. Like, you can't just keep continuously squeezing. You gotta like squeeze a little bit and then go for it. So that's fine. We're gonna do 2 different ways today. It goes on real smooth though. This is a lot of product. These are a lot of product, y'all. I did not mean to put that much in there, but it is what it is. Like, we here now. Let me go get a brush real fast. Okay, I'm using my Fenty concealer brush. The way this formula is, I'm not sure if you're supposed to let it like dry down. I know the slight things that I saw was to use your fingers, because Riri used her fingers. Let's see. That might be better.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home.
Okay, first impressions, I can tell you that this is like a thicker version of the skin tint. When it comes to like the texture of it, it just feels like a thicker version of the skin tint, honestly. It doesn't feel like a concealer. I mean, it does, but it doesn't. I can definitely see a brightness though. Like, this is almond butter, and I can still, like you guys saw, like it's on my hand, but it definitely around the eye area does make me look like I went to sleep. And I didn't just go to sleep. I slept for 12 hours and I woke up without coffee. Okay, this is what this looks like. I'm just like, hi. So I'm gonna set it, and you guys are gonna watch me do the rest of my makeup. Yeah, it looks really, really pretty. I haven't put anything under it so far. But yeah, one more thing about what I think I've told you guys several times about Fenty makeup, or at least the skin products, is that it tends to oxidize. So yeah, a lot of things that look a little brighter on me oxidize to my actual color, if that makes any type of sense. So we will see what this particular product does. But yeah, let's set everything and let's see. Okay, so y'all saw me do the switch up. I had to put on a whole wig because I look like someone's wife, okay? I look like someone's wife. It was supposed to be a cute little natural whatever, and then I put on this. PMS and doing what she gotta do. Like, oh my gosh. Eye bright Brighten, whatever it's called. What's it called real quick? Bright Fix Eye. Like, she's doing what she needs to do. The face is giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Now Rihanna, Robin, ma'am, you did not have to come and disrespect me like that. I was not trying to be disrespected. I did not need to put on a whole dress. I did not want to put on a whole wig for this, okay? I'm giving all types of Real Housewives of Chicago. And that's what this is giving. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Why didn't y'all tell me that these were so bomb? Like, I was sleeping on these and I shouldn't have been, but I'm awake now. As we can see, I'm fully awake. Wow. I'm floored right now. I am wowed right now. Granted, if you already have a concealer that you love, you don't need to buy this. I'm just gonna keep that 100. Like, I'm not 100% on the consistency. Like, yeah, but I do love the color. I do love what it does. Like, it actually does exactly what it says it's gonna do. But it's not that you can't do that with other concealers. You feel me? But the fact that I did not have to go super bright or anything to get this is wonders. And my normal concealer color, well, the one that I use is 390, which is actually a bit more yellow. But the fact that I can just use, actually, let me do a demo for you guys really, really, really fast. So, a little bit of almond butter right there. And then let me take my concealer, my Pro Filt'r concealer in the color 390. Okay, so you guys can see that's almond butter and that is 390. So yeah, this one is way creamier. This one's more of a liquid. I like the way this one dries down a little bit more. But I haven't used this one with a sponge. I usually always do my concealer with a sponge, but I didn't want to take away from anything this time. But yeah, those are the two differences. Different consistencies, different undertones for different look. I like them both. So again, it's not something that you absolutely need in your makeup situation, but if you just really want to get it to add to your little collection, go right ahead. If you don't have something that brightens you, or you only get a concealer that's only your skin complexion, and you don't really want to take that extra step, or you don't want to get something too bright because it takes forever to like dim it down, then yeah, go right ahead, spend your coin. It's $25. How many ounces is it? 0.34. So yeah, it's decent, you know. It does what it needs to do, and you do not need a lot. I used way too much, okay, but it's my first impression, like first time. But yeah, this is the full look. I can't get over myself. I'm so shook. Like, girl, keep shaking me and take all of my coins, because here we are. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.